Hello, smart hustlers. My name is Brian, and today we're upgrading our workspace and potentially your workspace with something simple but powerful. Okay, it's a bit heavy. Okay, so what I'm holding here right now is the Elgato Wave Desk Stand. I hope you can hear me. Okay, and lipat natin dito, no? And so sealed pa po siya, di pa nabuksan. So let's unbox this. Alright. So I'm not sure makita natin, ano? So sana na. All right. Oh, yung mic pala. Okay. So this is the Elgato Wave Desk Stand. And I think, well, if you're serious about leveling up your productivity, your audio quality, and just, creating a more professional workspace or setup, and this little guy, mabigat siya, no? This can make a big difference sa palagay ko lang. Okay. Meron po pala. So sealed talaga. Alright, of course we have the Wave Desk Stand manual. Ito yung setup manual. Anyway. I think ito yung mga screws yata. Yep. And of course, yung pinaka-base na ito. Ito. So ito yata yung mabigat, solid eh. Parang pwedeng pang to. So di ko na tignan yung tirang specs talaga. Mamaya na. Pero bigat niya. Kasi pwedeng... Kasi nga, I mean, let's be honest, Ito, maliit lang yung desk ko. And I believe medyo makalat pa nga yan. But for me, a cluttered desk can be a major distraction. Okay, so I have here my monitor. Hindi nyo nakikita. Ito yung drawing tablet. So, XP pen, drawing tablet na ginagawa ko siyang second monitor. So, and if you're creating any kind of audio or video content, podcast maybe like I do, videos and even just video calls, a good microphone setup is essential. That's where a dedicated stand comes in. Now, I recently had the tension cable on my Throne Max Flex Boom Arm S5, if I'm not wrong. It's the S5. Naputol po siya. It snapped off after a little over 2 years of use. So I had also upgraded my microphone recently from a CK Mova SXM3 condenser mic to this Rode Podmic. Now I'll put the description in the link of this video, maybe the link to where I got this from. The reason I believe the tension cable of my Throne Max Flex Boom Arm broke was because this Rode Podmic is really just too heavy. Mabigat po to. Okay, yung mic na to. Kasi I believe yung CK Mova ko na condenser mic was just about 325 grams. Now ito naman is 3 times nun. So it's almost 1 kilo. Mabigat talaga siya. Itong mic pa lang. Kasama na itong anong tawag na shock mount siguro to or what. So it's almost 1 kilo. Di pa kasama yung yung mga accessories, itong cord. Di pa kasama yung meron akong tawag dito. Yung pop filter na maliit para nito. So this is metal mesh. So hindi ito yung mesh na parang tela lang. So since nag-upgrade ako ng microphone, I felt like it's a perfect time to upgrade my whole stand situation as well. So instead of going again with a boom arm, I decided to why not try this desk stand. Although I think yung downside ng nito, pag maliit yung desk mo, it takes up space din kahit papaano. But I'm planning of doing a workaround. Maybe itong Stream Deck controller ilalagay ko dito on top of my itong base ng Elgato Wave Desk Stand. I-assemble na natin So sabi ko nga yung packaging natin malinis, minimalist, and everything is securely packed. So kudos sa store. Nakalimutan ko nung store pinukuhanan ko nito. But anyway, I'll put down the link in the description as well. We have the weighted base here. It feels really solid, So this is I believe the key for stability. At talagang ito yung you don't want your mic tipping over mid recording po. So ito nga medyo okay naman to. Medyo plastic nga lang to. Okay, so pang vlogging, pwedeng ganyan. So I can just use it like this. Pero yun lang. Medyo hindi ako kumpiyansa dito eh. So just bear with me, assemble lang natin to. So meron ng dito Allen key. So napakahalaga lang na talagang matibay yung base kasi kumbaga para sa akin it looks like this is built to last. Bigat na yan. Wait. So ito yung alright. Okay. So once again, the assembly is just very straightforward. Just screw the rod. Ito yung rod. I believe rod lang tawagin natin dito. Just screw the rod onto the base. So I'll be transferring this to the Elgato Wave Desk Stand. Ayan, so ito po siya. So napakadaling i-unlock So pwede siyang umikot ng 360 degrees. Ganyan. Ayan, kahit gaganyanin ko siya, hindi siya talagang heavy duty. Ayan, and we have these four silicone ties, yung rubber rubber ties for cable management. So pag halimbawa ganito, ayan. Kahit dalawa nga lang, okay na eh. Napakasimple lang. Alright, so that's it. Napakasimple lang, napakadali lang. This is the Elgato Wave Desk Stand, for smart hustlers out there. Now, this is about more than just a microphone stand. It's about creating a focused, more professional workspace. So it's about optimizing your setup for productivity and just quality overall. Okay din to sa podcast at pwede din tong bitbitin. Medyo mabigat nga lang. But for portability wise, I think mas okay na to for me than bringing along a long boom arm. I don't know. This is just para sa akin lang. Mas compact to. Kumbaga, robust nga lang. Mabigat. And so again, it's about optimizing your setup for if you want it to be more aesthetic looking for the price na din naman. So again, once again, if you're looking to upgrade your desk setup, I highly recommend checking this out. I'll be putting the link in the description below where you can find more info and grab one for yourself. It's an affiliate link, by the way. So just full disclosure lang naman that it's an affiliate link, which helps us support this channel. And by the way, if you like this itong shirt na to, ako ay sapat na tao. So baka maguluhan kayo na ako'y sapat na tao. It's because it's Hiligaynon. Ito, Hiligaynon Hirits. Ayan, it's one of our merches po natin dito sa Smart Hustle PH because I print the t-shirts as well. So this is a collaboration between Smart Hustle PH and Bichano. Bichano, B-E-C-H-A-N-O. Ito pala, ayan, Bichano, Merchano. Ayan. So you can check out the Bichano Facebook page. The link will be posted in the description below as well to get your own shirt as well if you kung gusto mo to. Kung ikaw ay isang Hiligaynon or Ilonggo, no? Just let me know in the comments what you do to keep your workspace optimized for your daily grind or your hustle. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smart Hustle PH for more tips on productivity, just a self-help or self-improvement, and just making the most out of your everyday grind. Once again, my name is Brian, and I hope to see you in the next one.